Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today my topic is respecting parents. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa ahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. O my Lord, open my chest and ease my task for me, and loose the knot from my tongue that they understand my speech. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammimil khair. Respect for parents. In Islam, every day is Mother's and Father's Day. We should love, respect, and appreciate our parents every day throughout the year. Parents have the right to demand respect. They deserve respect and appreciation from their children. Parents are very important to us, and we must treat them with great respect and admiration. We must listen to them with great respect, talk to them with great respect, look at them with great respect, and touch them with great respect. It is not enough to love your parents, you must highly respect, admire, and be very humble to them. The Quran says in Surah Al-Isra, your Lord has commanded that you should worship none except Him and show kindness to your parents. If one of them or both of them attain old age with you, do not say uff to them nor repulse them, but speak kindly to them and be humble to them through mercy and say, my Lord, have mercy on them, both as they cared for me when I was young. Appreciation and respect for parents is mentioned in the Quran 11 times. In every example, Allah reminds children to appreciate and care and love they received from their parents. Allah gets angry at us for just showing the slightest signs of impatience or anger with our parents. So then imagine how angry Allah would be if we did worse than that. Allah dislikes it when children raise their voices to their parents or disobey them. Abdullah ibn Aun was a great student of the Sahaba. Once his mother called him from the other room, so he answered her with a low voice out of respect. His mother did not hear him well, so she called him again. Abdullah now raised his voice to make her hear him better. After doing that, Abdullah felt bad because he did not like to raise his voice over the voice of his mother. He thought that he had committed a sin, so he offered a big sadaqah to wipe out his mistake. Parents sacrifice a lot when raising their children. Parents go through a lot of trouble to care for and raise their children from the time they are born until they become adults. And despite all of their hard work, parents still love and protect their children. No matter how kind or obedient a child may be, he can never truly repay his parents for their love and patience. Abdullah ibn Umar, a leading scholar among the Prophet's companions, once saw a man from Yemen carrying his mother on his back and going around Al-Kaaba in his tawaf during Hajj. Rather than complaining, the man was happy. The man looked at Abdullah ibn Umar and asked him whether by doing this he had paid back his debt to his mother. Ibn Umar said, no, you have not even paid back 1/20 of her labor pain when she gave birth to you. Respecting mothers. We should show respect to both our fathers and mothers, but mothers are given a special type of kindness and respect in Islam. Mothers experience a lot of pain and hardship during pregnancy and the delivery of their children. And as the child grows up, it is the mother who spends most of her time caring for him or her. قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم الجنة تحت أقدام الأمهات. This means that the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the paradise lies under the feet of our mothers. It was narrated by Abu Huraira that a man came to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and asked him, who is the most deserving of my good friendship? The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, your mother. The man asked again, then who? Your mother. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied. The man asked again, then who? Your mother. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied for the third time. The man asked again, then who? Then your father. then the closest to you in kinship, and then others. Rasulullah replied for the fourth and last time. Hadith. قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم said, Atay abak. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, obey your father. To show respect and kindness to parents, listen to them in an obedient and patient manner. Speak to them in a soft and respectful voice. Obey them when they tell you to do something, as long as it is not haram. Show your love to them through kind actions and words. Help them around the house by washing dishes, vacuuming, etc. Make dua for them whether they are alive or dead. Help your mother in the house and carry grocery bags for her during shopping. وآخر الدعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.